how to change Spotify username. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your Spotify username. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now to basically change a Spotify username, the issue here is quite simple. If you open up this Spotify application, you tap the profile icon from here and then you go to this view profile section here. When you go to view profile, you can just tap on the edit button. Here you can see your name, which is your display name. But there is also a series of random letters, which is actually your username. Now just keep in mind that usernames on Spotify are actually not changeable, and it doesn't really matter because no one else other than you is going to be able to view your username. The only thing that other people will be able to view is your display name, which you can basically just go to the view profile tab over here and then just make sure to change that display name if you'd like. But then the usernames are not really visible to anyone. You can change the display name which appears on your profile, playlist and app, but you can't use a display name to log in and you can't use a username to log in as well. So this way you should be able to actually figure out the issue. Usernames aren't really that important. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.